living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Welcome to T2U Students Ask. This video's topic will be on cleaning basics in the hospitality industry. The text in this video is provided in English and in Afrikaans. The first steps to clean. We'll start with preparing to clean. Most room attendants will start their workday in the linen room. The linen room is considered the headquarters of the housekeeping department. This is where all employees of housekeeping will report for work, receive room attendant assignments, room status reports, and keys. Room attendants will also check out at the end of the day or at the end of their shifts in the linen room. Beginning tasks should happen before actual cleaning. This is where the lights of a room will be turned on so that they can better see what they are doing. They will also check the light bulbs to see if any needs to be replaced. The drapes and curtains will be drawn back. Cords and hooks of the curtains will be checked for any damages. The window will be opened to air out any other odors in the room, as well as the chemical smells of cleaning products while cleaning. Equipment of the room such as air conditioners, heaters, kettles, and televisions, as well as mini fridges, will be checked to be in proper working order. When the actual cleaning starts to be done, the cleaning of the bathroom is first on the list. There are many health and safety considerations when cleaning bathrooms, and extra care should be taken when scrubbing, rinsing, and drying bathroom surfaces. A bathroom is usually cleaned in the following sequence. First, the shower area, then the vanity and sink, the toilet, the walls and the fixtures, and finally, the floor. It is important to clean from top to bottom to avoid dirtying already cleaned areas. Towels, washcloths, bath mats, toilet and facial tissues, and guest amenities should be replenished accordingly to the property standards. Spot cleaning of any fingerprints and other obvious smudges on walls and also on light fixtures and mirrors must be cleaned. The walls must be wiped down, as well as the door and the door handle on both sides of the door. When cleaning the bathroom, one should start from the furthest corner from the bathroom door and work backwards to the door. When mopping or wiping down the floor, including the baseboard. Before leaving the bathroom, the guest attendant will gather their things, make all their final checks, and make sure that they leave the bathroom in a clean and best possible state before turning out the lights and exiting the bathroom. Next, dusting. The guest room will then be dusted. Like bed making, the task of dusting requires systematic and orderly approaches. Some room attendants start dusting items at the door and clockwise around the room. This reduces the chance of overlooking any spots. In all cases, one must begin the highest surface so the dust doesn't fall on already cleaned items. One should never spray dusting solution directly onto an object, since it can stain or cause stickiness. Only spray a little bit of product on a dusting cloth. The making of the bed will be done after dusting, so that no dust will fall on the newly cleaned sheets. After this, you should also remember that the mirrors and glass surfaces in a guest room must also be cleaned. Some establishments might use water, damp towel or sponge. Others might also include a mirror cleaner or glass cleaner to make sure that no streaks are left behind. You can always use a microfiber cloth to ensure this. Guest amenities in the room will also be replenished before continuing to vacuum. Vacuuming is a very necessary step in cleaning a room. But before one vacuums, one must loosen the dirt around the baseboards with a broom or rag so that it's easier for the machine to pick up. In an average daily cleaning, the carpets will be vacuumed in all reachable places, under tables and chairs, and in the closet is included. Areas such as under the bed or dresser, where heavy furniture must be moved, will be cleaned on special project bases, such as deep cleaning. Deep cleaning is always scheduled. When vacuuming, one should start from the furthest corner away from the door and work one's way backwards towards the door. As the room attendant then passes the open window, the drapes and windows will be closed all the way to the door and the lights will be turned off after doing a final check. The final check is a critical step in guest room cleaning. It makes the biggest difference to a professional job. After reloading the vacuum and the cleaning supplies into the cart, the room attendant will take a few moments to give the room a careful look from the guest's perspective, starting at one point of the room and scanning in a circular fashion from top to bottom, from corner to corner, until it's visually been inspected of every item. This will ensure that the guest's experience when they enter the room, the first impression would be perfect. Air freshener can be sprayed if needed, and when satisfied, the room attendant will then turn off the lights and close the door, making sure that it's locked. Housekeeping managers will do inspections of room cleaning. This ensures the desired result of cleaning and system consistencies. The purpose is to catch any problems which may have been overlooked before a guest checks into the room or enters the room. A well-conducted and diplomatic inspection can motivate employees so that they can improve their skills. A new inspection program technology has been recently used. This is where the housekeeping manager will have a device to scan barcodes in specific areas of a room to check that they have double-checked that it has been cleaned properly. We're going to look at deep cleaning. When we say deep cleaning, we should think of spring cleaning. It is when we remove the dust and the dirt that accumulates over time. This deep cleaning is always scheduled, and it requires a specific scheduling because it takes more time. Deep cleaning activities include turning mattresses, wiping down walls and baseboards and skirtings, as well as washing windows and vacuuming underneath beds. Washing of carpets and polishing of floors in high traffic spaces is also included in deep cleaning activities. Let's talk about turndown service and special requests. The turndown service is turning down the bed sheets and refreshing the room for the evening. This will include cleaning the bathroom lightly, restocking it with fresh towels and amenities. Tidying the guest room, emptying waste baskets, folding back the bed sheets and blankets, fluffing the pillows and drawing the drapes closed. Some establishments might also include putting on the soft lighting and turning off overhead lighting, setting certain temperatures for rooms as requested by guests, and leaving a sweet dreams on the pillow. In modern days, we usually leave sweet dreams, which are chocolates or biscuits, sometimes mint-flavored items, and we would not leave it on the pillow anymore, as we have seen many guests fall asleep with the chocolate and the bed is covered in sweet chocolate the next morning. So to avoid this, we would place the sweet dreams on the bedside table. We will also note any guest-lend items, remove them from the room or place them away, such as hair dryers, irons, ironing boards, sewing kits, playing cards, and so on. Housekeeping inventories are very important to keep track of. The executive housekeeper is responsible for the housekeeping inventories. There are two types of inventories, such as recycled inventories and non-recycled inventories. Recycled inventories are items like linen, uniforms, and loan items that can be used over and over again or cleaned before reuse. Non-recycled inventories are consumables, such as small little soaps, that after the use, it is either used up or not used again. When managing inventories, it's very important to have a par level. Par levels are the standard number of inventoried items to be on hand at all times to support daily routine. It is important to establish and determine a par level for each inventory item, and this level can be measured in terms of a minimum and a maximum requirement for a specific range. Having a par level will ensure smooth operations every day and can also improve the best buying practices. I hope you enjoyed this video of cleaning basics in the hospitality industry. Please like the video if you did. If you have any questions on any other topics, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Also subscribe to T2U for more videos on Students Ask.